Hi everyone, this is Mr. De Ocampo. If you miss Wednesday's class, this video is for you so that you know what went on, okay? Basically today, this was our first math Zoom session, and these are the things that we went over. We talked about, our do now was what is your favorite month and day in the calendar, and we had students type that in chat. Then we talked about, I'm sorry, let's go to the next slide. We talked about favorite days and how far are our classmates' favorite days from today. Let me give you an example. So, for example, my birthday, one of my favorite days is my birthday, which is somewhere in April, which is right around here. It's April 6th. Okay. Now, I want to know how far is my birthday from today? Well, it's about this far. If you stretch it like this, it's about this far. Now, my younger sister was born in December 19th, which is right around, let's say, here. Let me guess right here. So then, if I take this arrow and I draw it from here to today, here's my birthday. Here's my younger sister's birthday. Which of these days is farther from today? Is it my birthday or is it my sister's birthday? Well, this arrow is longer than that arrow. So my birthday is farther from today than my sister's birthday. Okay. My birthday is farther than today. All right. So we talked about that in class. We talked about these norms: be safe, be respectful, be responsible, be responsible. We talked about how important questions are, that whenever you're confused, please ask questions. Okay. And we talked about how to do that, especially when we mute the chat. So I love questions. Please always ask questions. We love questions. We talked about how important our names are. Most likely, someone in your family gave you your name. Your culture might be a part of your name. And because of that, your name deserves respect. We watched this video about an actress and author, a young person named Quvenzhané Wallis. She said, "I will never change my name because that's what I was born with." But then someone did not want to say her name and just wanted to call her Annie or Little Q. But people were upset about that. And the reason why I talked about this in class today is my biggest fear is that if I say your name differently, it might erase your culture from your name and it may sound disrespectful. Okay. So like for example, this is Estrellita. This one over here, it's another name that I had to learn and it means strength. Here's my name. It's Mr. De Ocampo. And then one of your co-teachers for math is Mr. Zuniega. Okay. The main point of this is that us teachers, we really want to know your names. We want to say it respectfully. And eventually, when we get back to school, we want to say your name respectfully too. And when we hand out awards and medals, we want to say your name right when we call you up to the stage. Today, we also had students go to Google Classroom to join our Math Google Classroom. And these are the instructions to join our Math Google Classroom. Step 1, go to classroom.google.com. Step 2, you want to make sure, see this red circle, that you are signed in using your SFUSD student account. Are you signed in through SFUSD? If you're not, you won't be able to join. Step 3, press the plus sign. Step 4, type this code. And if I'm going too fast, feel free to pause the video. Step 5, press join on the top right. Look for the word join. And then 6, you're done. You're in the Math Google Classroom. So that's what we did. We joined Google Classroom for math class so that you can see all the assignments that we do for math. Then, after joining Google Classroom, we opened our Math Digital Notebook for the first time. Let me show you how to go to your Math Digital Notebook. First thing you want to do is go to Classwork. Classwork should be at the top of your Google Classroom. Classwork should be at the top of your Google Classroom. Number 2, you're going to click Math Digital Notebook. And this arrow points out that we're talking about this one right here, Math Digital Notebook. And you'll find that in the resources section. Go ahead and try to find that right now. And if you can pause this video if you need to. From there, we want you to open the Math Digital Notebook. And that's what we did in class through Zoom. Now let's talk about what's inside the Math Digital Notebook. In class today, we opened it up to page 5. And we filled in this. Now to fill in this word cloud, all you have to do is click on it, a tap, maybe 1 tap or 2 taps, I'm not sure. And then all you have to do is type in this cloud and follow the directions. Notice that you are not turning in the digital notebook. It's because if you press the turn in button for the digital notebook, you will not be able to edit the pages. So page 5 is an assignment that we want students to do. We want you to do that. And we also want you to do page 4 inside the digital notebook. Now here, we want you to type your name. We want you to insert a photo of yourself so that we can match your name with your face. We want you to teach us how to say your name, your first and last name. We want you to answer the questions. And now actually, these are the wrong questions. But basically look in page 4 of your digital notebook. I want you to ignore this. This looks different from your digital notebook. Okay. But yeah, basically, please complete page 5 and page 4. And if you have any questions, feel free to email me or write a private comment. Take care. Have a great day.